This is a video of the before inside of a garage. I can come to your home, hotel, or event place to set up. Watch how I take the walls, the ceiling, and change this into a masterpiece. I have different stations. As you can see, this station is set up for t-shirts. It's almost like the silk and paint, but without the canvas. It's the t-shirts. This is a jury station, and based on how big you want the jury station to be set up, I provide the beads, the ropes, everything that you need for your child to make a necklace or a bracelet and bracelet. This is the treat station. As you can see, this is the balloon garland that I created. I provide different customized items, such as the bubblegum. You have the suckers, the water bottles, you can get your child name, logo, theme for their party customized for the event. I bring in the backdrop that you would need if your child wants to set up the photo booth station. This is the table where all the food will be setting up. Based on this group, it's a 4-year-old group, age 4 and between 4. So I provide smaller chairs, robes, everything each child would need for her pedicure. Once again, this is a station for a facial. Based on the age group is what material I would bring for their facials. Because it's a small child event, we use stuff that would not be harmful for the kids. This is the favorite table. If you want tote bags and you want me to provide all the stuff for that go inside the tote bags, I can do that as well. For the lip gloss, fingernail, bubbles that was customized. Everything that you see. The Bling table. This is the table where they would sit and eat. You can get customized plates, cups with the same theme and logo in it. These are disposable plates, but you can have your child theme and logo in it. Or if you're an adult, I can do the same as well. In the ceiling, I did some draping of fabric. This is the ether. And based on how many stations you want to be set up, this is what it will look like. And please don't forget about the princess chair. Every prince wants to sit in their own chair. Once all the lights go off, we provide lights that your child would love. Here you see the princess of the night getting their approval, checking everything out. As long as she's happy, I'm happy. As you can see, the princess is happy. She toasting up with her favorite drink in her little wine glass. All smiles. I am a licensed master cosmetologist as well as a certified makeup artist that specializes in hair, makeup, and skin, as well as decoration. If you would like to book with me for your child age of 4 and up, teenager and adults, for your wedding, birthday parties, girls' night out, or any event that you want to host a small party, please book with BomShell. For more information and details, having customized item made, logo for rental items as well, please call 678-492-5998. Again, thanks for watching. This is your girl BomShell.